my name is Robert Logue, and I'm the owner and the founder of the Texas Laser Institute. I began TLI back in 2010 with a very simple mission, and that is to say, we want to provide individuals with an uncompromised and the highest quality possible in training and certification in non invasive cosmetic procedures. Oftentimes, we're asked by our students a very broad and general question: where do I even begin? So, with that in mind, I wanted to start this video series. I'm joined with my colleague today, Diana, to ask some general questions that hopefully I can answer for you and get you started along the path of exploring career opportunities in medical aesthetics. Now, Diana?
Hi, Robert. How do I enter into the industry of providing aesthetic treatments?
Sure, sounds good. So, first and foremost, folks typically go along one of two different career paths. One is a little bit more therapeutic. So, think of a cosmetologist with either hairstyling, hair salon, or even a facialist. So, like a day spa, providing therapeutic massage like therapies to help people feel more comfortable and relaxed. It's a little bit less indication specific. So, the folks that are a little bit perhaps more results oriented might be more inclined to look at our curriculum, which is to say, uh, laser hair removal or the permanent reduction of unwanted hair, IPL fitted facials for the treatment of pigmentation lesions as well as redness or spider veins, rosacea, body contourings for circumferential reduction, microneedling for improvement of scar texture and reduction of scar tissue. Um, we have Botox, facial fillers, of course, for reduction of fine lines, wrinkles, and enhancement of volume walls, as well as microblading treatments or other permanent cosmetic procedures and solutions. So, with that being said, you have to first decide which of those two avenues is most appealing towards you. And if you find that you're a little more in the realm or camp of indication specific, results oriented, a little bit perhaps more, you can say, medically inclined procedures, our curriculum makes a lot of sense. Particularly our 40-hour laser hair removal program, which lays a foundation or bedrock understanding of medical aesthetics, particularly light-based aesthetics, as well as students exploring other treatment indications such as Botox injectables or permanent makeup.
Great. How do I become licensed in Texas to perform laser hair removal?
Sure. So Texas is a very unique state in that they speak specifically to the requirements that one has to meet in order to perform laser hair removal treatments. In Texas, laser hair removal is not considered to be the practice of medicine. However, for someone to perform laser hair removal, you have to, of course, complete a state-required training program. The Texas Laser Institute is one of the few state-approved training programs that offers the 40-hour class. Class is again 40 hours, 4 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, at the conclusion of which you are now eligible to become licensed in the state of Texas as a laser hair removal technician apprentice in training. We have another video as well as some FAQ videos that really do a nice job of breaking down the different levels of licensure in Texas. I encourage you to look at those as well as our rules and regulations video.
Okay. What are the best classes for me to start off with?
Sure, fantastic question. So I would say one of three avenues. If you're thinking light-based aesthetics, you're certainly going to want to start off with first the 40-hour laser hair removal program. Laser hair removal is one of the most popular non-invasive cosmetic procedures there is. So with that being said, most if not all medical spas are going to want to see somebody that has that type of experience. If you're thinking about starting your own medical spa, laser hair removal is typically one of the first things you'd introduce to your practice. It's a $950 course, it's 4 days, it's relatively streamlined in the sense that you can accomplish this and certainly begin your licensure process immediately. It also lays the foundation for the other leg-based courses. So for instance, IPL fitted facials, tattoo removal, we have also body contouring. These are the types of courses that fit very nicely after taking after taking a 40-hour laser hair removal program course, because you already have the foundation and understanding of how light interacts with the skin. So that would be one track. The second track would be if somebody wants to focus in on injectables, so Botox and facial fillers. We have our Injectable Academy. It's a wonderful opportunity for medical practitioners such as nurses, PAs, nurse practitioners, and of course physicians to gain the necessary training and certification to perform those procedures in the state of Texas. But for folks that aren't licensed, they can certainly become a student of that class, albeit only when they're being directly sponsored by a physician We do have some paperwork to be completed there. Just contact our school, we'll get you some more information. And then finally, we have a Permanent Cosmetic Academy, which is a wonderful track for folks that are more interested in eyelash extensions, as well as, of course, the very popular microblading or BB skin enhancement treatments. All wonderful things that we are more than happy to tell you more about by contacting our institute.
Do I need a medical director?
Yeah, it's a very good question too. It depends. So for laser hair removal, you do not. Laser hair removal, you need what's referred to as a consulting physician. It is not the same as a medical director in that the consulting physician is a lot less active. Again, as laser hair removal is not the practice of medicine in the state of Texas, the physician need not be present for the treatments. They don't need to see the patients necessarily. The technician is a lot more autonomous in their management and operation of that business. However, if the individual is wanting to go on to extend their practice to, say, tattoo removal, IPL facials, microneedling treatments, maybe some chemical exfoliation treatments, and other skin enhancement treatments or body contouring treatments, a medical director is going to be required. In the state of Texas, you're going to want to become familiar with the Texas Medical Board Rule 193.17 and learn the importance of having an active medical director that is able to first see the patient, diagnose that patient, prescribe the available treatment option, and then delegate the performance of that treatment to you. Again, you and the physician have to be appropriately trained to do those procedures, which is certainly why we're here, and that's something that we can help you with.
Very well. How do I enroll and what are the next steps?
Yeah, enrollment is very easy. You can do so online through our website, texaslasers.com. Go to any one of our course pages, just click the Enroll Now button. It'll take you to our database where you can enter your information, select the course dates, the course location that you want to enroll in, and we'll get you signed right up. We require a deposit for each class. It's normally just about $200 depending upon the course itself. And then once that's paid, you're immediately enrolled. Or just contact us at 832-767-0977. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Our Dean of Admissions is more than happy to further assist and enroll you in any of our classes over the phone. So those are the most popular indications, or most popular rather, questions that were asked. I hope this is a good introduction to our curriculum. Please let us know how we can be of service to you. We look forward to speaking with you and certainly helping you to achieve your career goals and aspirations, and welcoming you to a very exciting and evolving industry.